Okay, next is we look at the shifted cosine and sine curve. This is whenever you have the phase shift. Okay, so your formula should be in this form: y equals to bx minus c, or y equals to, this is cos, y equals to cos, amplitude, period, and phase shift. So for the phase shift, we have the additional value of c here, c over b. It will be your phase shift. So in this example 3, we want to find the amplitude, period, and its phase shift. Okay, hence we want to sketch over one period and label the 5 key points. So here your A will be A is 3, A is equals to 3 for the amplitude. Okay, I will write the equation here, tak nampak. y equals to 3 sine 2x plus pi over 2. Here you need to compare with the equation of y equals to a sine bx minus c. Here you have plus, here you have minus. So your c here is negative pi over 2. Okay, remember. Next, we calculate for the period. For its period, it is 2 pi over b. 2 pi over b. So here our b is 2. So the period is pi. And the length for each subinterval, it is, you have to take pi, the period divided by 4. Okay, and then for the phase shift, the formula is, we have here c over, this one, c over absolute value of b. Okay, just now our b is already positive, so we just take c over b. So the formula is c over b. And the value of c here is negative pi over 2. Negative pi over 2 divided by b, just now we have 2. So the phase shift is negative pi over 4. This will be your starting point. So your starting point will be here, negative pi over 4. So it will start x equals to negative pi over 4. And how we are going to know the endpoints? You just add with the period. So negative pi over 4 plus 1 period, which is negative pi over 4 plus pi. So it will stop at 3 pi over 4. Okay, it will stop at 3 pi over 4. Then you can locate the scale. Okay, we have negative pi over 4, 0, and here we have pi over 4. Next, we have 2 pi over 4 or pi over 2. You can write here pi over 2. Here we have 3 pi over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 points. 5 points. And here we look whether it is positive or negative value of y. So since it is positive, so we need to start from positive 3. Positive 3, and the graph is sine. So for the graph sine, we need to start from the x-axis. Starting point is no longer 0. It will start at negative pi over 4. Okay, it will start negative pi over 4. So we'll start here. And this is the second key point. Third key point. This is the fourth key point, and this is the last key point. So your graph will be like this. Sine kan? Okay, the sine graph. This one. Allah. Next one. Okay, so after that, the table edit. Okay, any question so far? So for the phase shift daripada part CY to the starting point. So this is the phase shift, which is negative pi over 4. It shift to the left. Graph asal tu shift to the left by pi unit. And then the amplitude okay, and also label the period. Okay, the period is start from negative pi over 4 until 3 pi over 4. Okay, then so this is your E. And then the period start from this part. From here, this is T equals to this period. T equals to berapa ni? Pi. T equals to pi. And it stop at 3 pi over 4. Okay, this is for one complete cycle. Okay, remember to write also the coordinates for the 5 key points. The coordinate for the 5 key points, we have here 3 pi over 4, 0. This is pi over 2, negative pi over 4, 0. And then this is 0, 3. And this is the starting point, negative pi over 4, 0. Right. Oh, yang ni tadi, the 5x point here, sini ya, it start from negative pi over 4 plus pi over 4 plus je equals to 0 plus pi over 4. Yang ni kalau tak nak buat pun tak apa sebenarnya. Wah, pi over 4 plus pi over 4 equals to 5x point. The 5x point. The 5x point is start from negative pi over 4. Start from 0. Ni lah. Pi over 4. This is pi over 2. And here lastly we have 3 pi over 4. This is for sketching the sine and cosine, okay, sine graph with the shift to the left. Okay, shift to the left, shifted sine. Okay, any questions so far? Anything you want to